Statistic 1, paper 62, May June 2018, question number 6 and number 7. Find the number of ways in which all 9 letters of the word Australia can be arranged in each of the following cases. I. All the vowels are together. Those vowels is A, I, U in these words. In total, there are 5 vowels in words Australia. It's A, I, U, and there are 4 consonants. S, T, R, L. Now, if all the vowels are together, those here, all the vowels in the word Australia, those there are in total 5 vowels, yeah, of which there are 3 S. Thus, the number of arrangements of 5 vowels, of which 3 are identical, those 3 S are identical, that is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Now, the number of arrangement of one block of vowels, this is one block of vowels, and 4 consonants, those 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants, those in total, those one block of vowels and 4 consonants, the number of arrangement is 5 factorial. Therefore, the total number of arrangements, that is this one, 5 factorial per 3 factorial times 5 factorial. Those 5 factorial per 3 factorial times 5 factorial, that is 2400. Another cases, that is the letter T is in the central position and its end position is occupied by one of the other consonants, yeah. Thus, this is the central position. Thus, there are 9 position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thus, this is the central position in the middle position. This is a fixed position of T, and then the end position is occupied by the other consonants. Thus, the other consonant is R, S, L. Thus, for the first position and position, there are 3 choices, one of R, S, L, and then here is there are no another 2 choices. Thus, in total there are 3 times 2 ways, or that is 3 permutation 2. And then the arrangement of remaining letters, that is stars, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 stars here, of which 3 are identical, because there are 3 S in stars. Thus, that is 6 factorial per 3 factorial. Thus, total number of arrangement, that is 3 permutation 2 times 6 factorial per 3 factorial, that is 720. B. Donna has 2 necklaces, 8 rings, and 4 bracelets, all different. She chooses 4 pieces of jewelry. How many possible selection can she make if she chooses at least 1 necklaces and at least 1 bracelet? Now, here we have necklaces. There are 2 necklaces, and the rings 8, and then bracelets there are 4. No, the condition is at least 1 necklaces and at least 1 bracelet. Thus, the possible selection can be 1 necklace, 2 rings, and 2 bracelets, and the possible selection is 2 combination 1, because there are 2 necklaces. 2 combination 1 times 8 combination 2 times 4 combination 1, that is 224. Another possible selection, that is necklace 2, rings 1, and bracelet 1, and then possible selection 2 combination 2, that is 2 combination 2 times 8 combination 1 times 4 combination 1, that is 32, and then can one necklace, one ring, and 2 brace, or 2 necklaces, 0 rings and 2 braces, or 1 necklaces, 0 rings and 3 bracelets. This corresponding of possible selection for this is, that is 2 combination 1 times 8 combination 1 times 4 combination 2, that is 96, etc. And then for this one, the corresponding possible selection 2 combination 1 times 8 combination 0, because 0, and then times 4 combination 3, that is 8. Thus the total, that is 366 possible selections. Now question number 7. In a certain country, 60% of mobile phones sold are made by company A, 35% are made by company B, and 5% are made by other companies. I find the probability that out of a random sample of 13 people who buy a mobile phone, fewer than 11 choose a mobile phone made by company A. Thus, this is binomial distribution. Thus, the sample size is 13, and then P, or probability, that is 0.6, because it is made by company A. And the question is probability of X less than 11. Thus actually that is Px 0 plus etc. until Px equals 10, but that is equals 1 minus probability X equals 11 plus probability X equals 12 plus probability X equals 13. Thus that is, you can use your calculator to calculate this one, and then the answer is 0.942. II, use a suitable approximation to find the probability that out of a random sample of 130 people who buy a mobile phone, at least 50 choose a mobile phone made by company B. Now, originally that is a binomial distribution with sample size is 130, and then P is 0.35 because this is made by company B. Now, since 130 times 0.35 is greater than 5, and also 130 times 1 minus 0.35 is also greater than 5, then this one X can be approximated by, we can approximate it by normal distribution with mean that is 130 times 0.35, and the variance is 130 times 0.35 times 1 minus 0.35, and then that is the mean, that is 45.5, and the variance is 29.575. Now, at least 50, thus means the probability of X greater or equals to 50. Standardized, and then we use correction here because actually this is a discrete, and then we standardize, so we use the normal distribution. We have a correction here from discrete to normal, that is 50 becomes 49.5. Thus PZ greater than 49.5 minus 45.5, that is this one, divided by Standard deviation, that is square root of variance, that is square root of 29.575. And then by using calculator, we obtained the probability is 0.231. Triple I, a random sample of n mobile phones sold is chosen. The probability that at least one of these phones is made by company B is more than 0.98. Find the least possible value of n. Thus the question is, what is the value of sample size n? Now, here also again the variable is binomially distributed with n is unknown, and then the probability, because it's made by company B, is 0.35. Now, here is the probability at least 1. Thus means probability of x greater or equals to 1, and that is equals 1 minus px less than 0. Yeah. Thus that is 1 minus n combination 0 times 0.35.0 times 1 minus 0.35, that is 0.65 to power n is greater than 0.98. Yeah, from here, because the probability at least one of this phone is made by company is more than 0.98. That is why here is greater than 0.98. And then n combination 0, 1, 0.35 is also 1, thus 1 minus 0.65 power n greater than 0.98, and then 1 minus 0.98, that is 0.02, and then shift to the right, greater than 0.65 power n, and then take the logarithm for both sides, thus logarithm of 0.02 greater than logarithm of this one, and then n move from n logarithm 0.65, and then divide by both sides by logarithm of 0.65. The value of logarithm of 0.65 negative, thus we have the sign of inequality have to change in direction actually. Thus logarithm of 0.02 divided by logarithm of 0.65 is less than n, or by using calculator, thus n greater than this one divided by that one, that is 9.081. And the question is find the least value of possible n, because n has to be integer, thus the smallest value for n, that is 10. Thank you.